Boy cut the baby throat. This look who. This boy cut the baby throat. And gone jump off in a sea. Boy gonna kill himself. Lonely see when he come along. Hot hard and bright. Boy cut baby throat and gone chuck off in a sea. I feel like say, we not gonna want him body. We're gonna need him body, man. We want him body.
Oh, Joe, time up.
This stuff will go up on Facebook. Is he ever dead? Oh, yes. Jesus Christ. Hey, look out, I see no call to get in here. I see me still in here. In the future, man. Can't come.
That's why Django might really nice.
Kill him, Django! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him!